This next problem that we're going to be doing is question 30 out of lesson 17. And in the circuit, we have an AC circuit with a 10 Henry inductor, a 1500 ohm resistor, 120 volt power supply at 60 hertz. And the first question is asking us, what is the current in the following circuit? Okay, well, current is equal to the total voltage divided by Z. So we need to find Z because this value is in henries and this value is in ohms. So Z, the formula for impedance, is equal to the square root of R squared plus X of L squared. Well, now we need to find X of L. This value is in henries. So X of L is equal to 2 pi FL. So by simply modifying these formulas, we can input this formula into this formula, and then this formula into this formula. So what we did, Z is equal to the square root of R squared plus parentheses 2 pi FL squared. This 2 pi FL, that's your X of L, right here. You want to make sure that you put the parentheses and put the square on the outside of the parentheses. So then what we did, we took this formula and put it into our total current formula. Total voltage is equal to, or total voltage divided by the square root of R squared plus parentheses 2 times pi times F times L, close parentheses, squared. And this is our formula that we came up with by just substituting X of L into Z and then Z into IT. Put the numbers in it. Total current is equal to 120 divided by the square root of 1500 squared, the value of the resistance, plus X of L, 2 times pi times 60 times 10, close parentheses, squared, gave us a value of 0.0295 amps or 29.5 milliamps for our total current. Now, the next question is asking us, what is the power factor and the phase angle of the circuit in question 30, which is this same problem. Power factor is equal to R over Z. We already have the formula for Z, the square root of R squared plus parentheses 2 pi FL parentheses squared. We got to remember to multiply it by 100 to put it into percentage. So 1500 divided by the square root of 1500 squared plus parentheses 2 pi 60 times 10 close parentheses squared times 100 gives us a value of 36.9% for our power factor. The angle theta for it, we know that the angle theta is equal to the second function cosine of the power factor. So, second function cosine of 0.369 gives us an angle of 68.3 degrees.